Hello students. So today I am going to discuss about very important question and regarding straight line. So you can see that question is there. That is, a rod of length L slides with its ends on x and y axis and one end on each axis. Find the locus of its midpoint. So you can find the locus of midpoint. That means you can find the equation with respect to midpoint using this condition. Okay, so let's see, you can draw the diagram also. So first of all, you have to take one rod which is slides on x and y axis. So you can draw first x and y axis, x o x dash. You can draw that is like that y o y dash, that is your y axis, and that rod slides in that way and length of the rod is L. So you can see their end points lie on y axis and other end point lie on y axis. You can put here the name of that point capital A. You can put here name of the point capital B. So now you can take the coordinate of A. Let us take small a comma 0. And why put y coordinate is 0? Because that A point lie on y axis, that is x axis, so that y coordinate is equal to 0. So that's why you have to take a comma 0 like that. And similarly, you can take the coordinate of B point, that is 0 comma small b. And here why we take x coordinate is 0? Because that B point lie on y axis, so that x coordinate is 0. So clearly you see that a coordinate is 0, a comma 0, and B point is 0, 0 comma b. Now comes to your midpoint. So you can take one midpoint here. Let us take C point, and you can take that coordinate also small h comma k. So now your job, you have to find the locus of that midpoint hk. That means you have to find the equation with respect to that midpoint using this condition. Okay, so let's see now. You can see that C is your midpoint. Okay, and you know that midpoint formula. So what is your midpoint formula? That is midpoint, you can write here midpoint formula, that is your x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. That is your midpoint formula. You can say it is your C point. So now first point here is a comma 0, that is you can take x1 y1 and this B point your x2 y2. So you can put here. So that means C point is equal to, that is your h comma k is equal to, you can substitute x1 by a, and you can substitute x2 by 0 by 2, as well as y1 substitute by 0 plus y2 substitute by b by 2, which is equal to h comma k is equal to a by 2 comma b by 2. That means h first coordinate to first coordinate, x coordinate to x, and you can see y to y, so that you can write h is equal to a by 2. From that you got the value a to h, as well as k is equal to b by 2. You can say that, you can see that b is equal to 2k. So you found that a value as well as b value. So you can put here. So you got the coordinate a, that is a comma 0, which is equal to 2h comma 0, as well as b coordinate 0 comma b, which is equal to 0 comma 2k. That means the distance of origin to A is your 2h, and distance from origin to B point, that is your 2k. Okay, so next. Okay, so now you see that is this way distance is equal to 2h, as well as OB distance is equal to 2k, and also this AB distance is equal to L. Clearly you see that triangle BO is your right triangle. Obviously right triangle, because x and y axis, they are the mutually perpendicular, so that this is your right angle. So then you can use the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, using Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, h square equal to p square plus b square. That means h means hypotenuse is here is AB. So AB square is equal to, we can see that perpendicular, and if you take that angle, so perpendicular is your OB square, and remaining is your base, that is your OA square. So that means AB square means you can substitute here L square. OB is your 2K, that is 2K whole square, plus OA is your 2H whole square. So you got the value. So that means this value gives L square equal to 4K square plus 4H square. So next, this implies L square is equal to, you can take common 4, that is your K square plus H square. Next time you can write also here 4H square plus K square is equal to L square. So this implies H square plus K square equal to L square by 4. This is for division. So that is your required locus. Just you have to remember, you have to substitute H means X square, and K means Y square equal to L square by 4. So you actually locus means you have to find the equation. Whenever you find your equation, that means X, Y variable will be there, and whenever find for midpoint here is HK coordinate, so that H replaced by X, K replaced by Y. So this is your locus of HK. That is your equation of locus. This is your solution, X square plus Y square equal to L square by 4. Okay, thank you.